It's too late now to turn around and back again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you some of my favorite meals that I absolutely love to eat. First on the list is breakfast. I've never personally been a huge breakfast eater. I found that eating early in the morning or just in the morning in general doesn't really suit my stomach. But I found a solution, and that is smoothies. My all-time favorite smoothie to make is this green smoothie using TEAMI's superfood blend. It is an all-natural matcha powder that you mix into your smoothie or juice or water. It gives you natural plant-based caffeine, which is really helpful in the morning time if you need your caffeine. It also gives you a full dose of greens if you're not the best at consuming vegetables. If you're interested in this green superfood blend, I'll have a link down below that you can purchase it, and I have a discount code if you'd like to get some money off your order. So for this smoothie, I added 1 scoop of the superfood blend and some mixed berry juice, as well as a banana. I also gave Hazelnut a bite of banana because it's her favorite treat. And then I'm adding mango, pineapple, and ice and blending.
I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
And now it is time for lunch. So this is one of my quick and favorite lunch ideas. I am taking some eggs and boiling them, and then I'm using some leftover rice.
Save your soul, save your soul. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down on our love.
I like to eat the egg whites dipped in this special seasoning that I got from Wingstop. And then for the egg yolk, I mix it up with the rice and add in a bunch of seasonings because I love seasonings. And I get some seaweed to wrap the egg and rice mixture up, and it gives it so much yummy flavor. I love this meal so much.
Love, love, never let me go, never let me go, no, never let me go.
And next is snacks. Snacks are my favorite because you can eat them whenever and you don't have to prepare a bunch of food. My all-time favorite snack is raw ramen. Comment down below if you're as weird as me and you love eating raw ramen too, because I've been doing it for so long and I get so many different opinions from so many different people about how gross it is or how amazing it is. So let me know down below what you think. For dinner, I decided to make Korean BIBIMBAP. So I just followed a recipe, and I will link the recipe down below if you would like to try this, and I'm just going to let the music play so you can just watch this beautiful food come to life.
And it was something kinda crazy, but never not honest. I know you love me, I felt it, but you're gone, so gone. When I know you're not alone, I can't help but feel alone. When you say you're on your own, I found my way home, but I still can't find me. gone, too gone. When I know you're not alone, I can't help but feel alone. When you said you're on your own, I found my way home, but I still can't find me.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm still a little sick, but I'm getting better, and my house is getting ready and clean, and a house tour will be coming soon, so get ready for that. I love all of you so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please, let me love you much. Come on with me, baby.